What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Corvette again. Glad you're tuning into another video. So today is pretty much one of the videos where I'm just kind of gonna talk about what I use to detail the car a little bit. Now, every time I drive the car, I do try to clean the engine bay off, because every time I go to a show, I open the hood up and I have the engine bay open so everyone can see it. Everyone's always complimenting me, man, how do you get your engine bay so clean? I mean, and I tell them it's a 2014, so it's one of the older models. It's not a 2020 or 2020. It's not a 2019 or 2018, a late year model of the C7. And I always tell them, look, anytime I drive or I go out of town on a road trip or whatever, I try to clean the engine bay as soon as I'm done. That way, no dust collects, it doesn't stay dirty and stuff like that. So anytime I have a chance to clean the engine bay, I wipe it down, okay? And I'll kind of show you what I use, microfiber towels and maybe a little bit of quick detailer and such. Now, to clean the tips, same thing, I just use like a microfiber towel and maybe just some cleaner just to wipe it off. And then for the interior, usually it never gets pretty dirty at all. If anything, I just may have to wipe the mats off, and that's maybe about it. I don't drink in there, I don't eat in there, so I don't have to worry about trash or anything like that, but maybe just a microfiber towel to wipe, the dash and stuff off from dust that just collects after, a couple days or whatever. That's basically it. So that's kind of the video I just want to show y'all about, doing that. So we'll do it. Go ahead and dive in. I'll just kind of show y'all real quick. All right, guys, so we're going to start with the engine bay first. I'm going to go ahead. Let's open the car up real nice and careful so we don't hit the wall right here. And then we're going to go ahead, pop the hood. And let's get the engine bay opened up. Alright, guys, so then when every little crack and crevice is cleaned and touched up with the product that you're using to clean the engine bay and the microfiber towel, then go ahead, we're all through with this. Go ahead and close the hood. We're done there. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, guys, and just like that, the exhaust tips are pretty much clean. I just used a microfiber towel just to kind of wipe the residue off and a little bit of the dust and stuff, since mine wasn't completely dirty. But if yours get pretty dirty with the rain and stuff, if you drive it, just use a product that's made for tips, stainless steel and stuff like that, and it will get off any stains or stuff like that there for you. So looks pretty good in my opinion, and they're pretty clean. So let's move on to the next one. Alrighty, so the interior now because, like I said, I don't eat or drink in my car, there's never any trash and it's never really dirty. The only thing I really have to do is maybe take the mats out, dust them off, maybe wipe them off real quick, and maybe wipe the seats or something, and then maybe just the top of the dash. So that's pretty much it. But if you daily use, you get a lot more trash, a lot more dust and stuff, you may have to do a little bit more detail product to kind of get the stuff off. But let me just do that real quick here. Alright guys, then we're going to go to the driver's side and do that one as well. Alright guys, well you saw me clean up the exhaust tips, you saw me clean the interior and the engine bay. So those are just a couple more things that I do for, just quick detailing. You already probably saw the video before where I actually show you, cleaning the windows and the exterior of the car and the wheels. So, think back to that video or look back on it if you're interested and want to see what I use for that one. It's basically the same stuff, but just kind of want to show you what I use in between washes when it's not completely dirty, okay? Just microfiber towels and a couple of these things over here. So overall, car looks pretty good. It's ready to go for another car show, another car meet. And if it's not really dirty, like I said, you don't have to completely do a full, complete wash. Just use those easy detail products and you'll be good to go. So that is pretty much it. Alright guys, well I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on this channel. And I appreciate all y'all's support and feedback. Until the next video, this is the Rogue Vet out. Y'all have an awesome day. Peace.